Welcome to the Palms of Destin here in sunny Destin, Florida. Here at the Palms, we're always looking for ways to conserve energy as well as improve guest satisfaction. And we've teamed up with HiloTech and looking for solutions here at the resort to do just that through the iDigi solutions. And we'll be walking through today. The first part of this video we'll be walking through, and we'll show you some of the solutions that we've come up with. Then we'll get into the actual solutions and the implementations. And then thirdly, we'll go through the actual tech side of it and give everybody just a small taste of what we did. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy the tape. Thank you. Okay, here's our first opportunity that we teamed up with Team HiloTech implementing the iDigi solution. Here you can see the waterfall. It runs 24 hours a day, and it costs about $9,000 a year to run. The other thing that happens is when guests pull up in their vehicles and it's on a windy day, the spray and mist goes all over the vehicles and the guests, so we want to prevent that. So by implementing the solution that you'll see later, you'll see how we take care of this issue. The other thing that it helps out is the pumps themselves are about approximately between $1,800 and $3,000 for the pump, so we're going to save on the wear and tear as well. Okay, here's another opportunity we have. The mushroom cloud stays on probably between 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning to about 8 or 9 at night. It's on a timer, but it's always on and during times when there's nobody here. Also, too, with the timer ghost comes in and somehow changes the times and it gets on weird hours. So what we decided to do is to use the iDigi solution to be able to turn this mushroom off only when kids are here, and we'll go through that a little later. Okay, this room has just been recently checked out. Let's go in and see what's been left on. And as you can see, we've got most of the lights on. The kitchen, over the dining area, and the lamps. The other thing that's left on is the outside light, balcony light, and it's during the day. And the other thing that's left on is the TV. So these are typical things that are left on when a guest checks out. You also notice over here on the thermostat that it's set at right now at 68 degrees.
It's made us a global leader in investment management.
So now we're wasting energy cooling down a room there's nobody in. The other thing that we have here, we have 418 rooms, and each room has a water heater, and it's always left on when the room is checked out. And if the room is checked out for several days, we waste a lot of energy, as well as if the room sits for a couple of days, the water itself begins to have an odor because of heating of the water, the heating elements in the hot water heater heating the water. So we drain 50 gallons of water at different points in time to clear out the water smell. So we're going to go through a solution to see how we can solve that. Here's another issue that we have at the resort. We have about 10, 12 carts, and people leave them on the floors, and when you're at the front desk, which is in that building over there, it's difficult to find the carts. So we're going to have to come up with a solution in order to find these carts right away at the front desk.